This is Justin Pulitzer. This is a video supplemental for FCX, Freeport-McMoRan. If you take a look, I have it on a 5-year chart, but we're going to zoom in. I just wanted to kind of show you guys where this stock had been coming from. And you can see there were some reference lows, key reference lows down here. And we recently kind of came in, we made a bit of a higher low, but it's basically the same reference range. You can see, let me zoom in here. Let's bring it to current time. Here we go. You can see we're pretty much bottomed out here in the stochastics, and there was a bit of a consolidation range. And on Friday, you had a Chinese easing event, and you had what looks like to be a professional gap in Freeport-McMoRan over this consolidation range. Now, you can see there's a downtrend line and a 50-day moving average coming into play, and also the breakdown of these levels here at this 30-51-ish level, so let's say 30-half-ish. So my thinking, and also the 50 is at, it looks like 30.62, so somewhere in there should be the resistance. If this 50 and this downtrend can break with some follow-through, I think this stock may have some legs to it. It's got about a 4% or so yield currently, which is not bad. This is like the big boy in copper. So we'll have to see how this plays out. This could be a right or right out short if you want to take the other side of it for some responsive sellers from the breakdown, which could also work. If not, you could also just flip it and play it long, or just wait and see if you get the break, or if you're looking to play long, maybe there's a little bit of a back off and then a move back up through the level. Usually this would be somewhat of a resistance. So I'm going to be looking for this actually more for a long. I'd like to see it, if you want, you could do some nibbling somewhere with this low as a stop, because I think then we would fill back down. It would just be a false breakout. But I do think that anywhere over this downtrend line starts getting interesting for a long play back to the upside, maybe back into the meat of this distribution. And these breakdowns also a halfback somewhere in the 33s. So that would be a pretty nice 10% or so gain if we could pull that little sucker off. So that's on my radar for this week. Anyway, let's see what happens.